problem today on Geeksforgeeks. It is nothing but the update queries. Okay, so what is update queries? You are given an array of n element. Okay, initially all the elements are 0. Okay, as mentioned, e of I is equal to 0. Whatever the elements are there in that array, everything is 0. Okay, now the Q queries need to be performed. Okay, each query contains the three integers L, R, and X. Here we can see the two queries are given, and that is nothing but this Q two-dimensional array. Okay, L, R, and X. Okay, and you need to change the all A of I to the A of I. This is nothing but the bitwise OR operation with X. Okay, so let's say initially there is a 0 in all the positions. Then for the first query we check, then we'll get this 1. Okay, so if we are doing like bitwise OR operation with 0 and 1, then we'll get definitely 1. Okay, and the same way, if we are doing the next operation and we are doing a bitwise operation with 1 and 2, then with 1 and 2 we are getting the 3. Okay, for more understanding, let me say something in Python. If we are doing like 0 or, wait, let me if I can. Okay, 0 or 1. Okay, this is the bitwise operation, then we are getting 1. Okay, 1 and 2, then we are getting 2. It's like if we are converting this into the binary, and then we are just doing OR operation, then we are getting this value. Okay, so the same we are doing here as just explained. For this is nothing but the L and R. So we are just need to change that array from L to R. Okay, so we'll start from the first to the third. So as this is the list, this we can say 0 to 2. Okay, so all we can put 0, 1 and 2 as a 1 at the first step, and then for the second query it is same 1 to 3. So 0 to 2 we are just doing a bitwise OR operation with 1 and 2, then we are getting 3. So we just need to return that array at the end. Okay, if we are checking for the next example, then we are getting like first 1 and 2. So we can say 0 and 1, we are just getting 1. So initially we have all three zeros. Okay, then for first two position we are just putting a 1 as L and R we know. Okay, and at the end we are just putting like L and R both at 3. So only at the third position we are just doing the OR operation with 0 and 2. Then definitely we'll get 0 and 2, it's nothing but 2. We can check here 0 bitwise 2, it's nothing but the 2. Okay, so this is the solution. If in place of this, if they are just giving like 1 2 3, then we are doing OR operation with all three, then we are getting like 3 3 2. Okay, but they are just given in this query it's like 3 3. Okay, so that's why this is the case. Okay, so let's start the solution for this problem. So as initially we have all zeros. Okay, then let me define one array with all zeros. It's nothing but the length of this is n. Okay, and after that for I will just get the value of L, R, and X. Okay, so for I in range, what is the range? It's Q. Okay, so range of Q, then we can say first L. What is the value of L? It is nothing but U of I of, we can say 0. Okay, and what is the value of R? We can say U of I of 1. What is the value of X? We can say U of I of 2. Okay, but here there is a one change. As we are starting from 0, we'll just put the n is equal to whatever the value we are getting minus 1. Okay, as because we need to check this with the 0th index. Okay, so now we are just getting all these three values. Okay, and now we are checking like whatever the values are there for L and R, we are just doing the OR operation for that particular index value with the X. Okay, then another for loop for j in what we can say range here if you are considering r na, then this Python code will consider till r minus 1 only. That's why we didn't put the r minus 1 here. Okay, else if we are also doing r minus 1, then in this range we need to put like r plus 1. Okay, so that's why there is a redundant thing, then we just don't do that. Okay, now we can traverse from L to R. Now we'll just change the value of that particular index. Okay, so answer of J, whatever we are just storing that into the answer of J with the bitwise or operation with X. Okay, so now we can say whenever we are just doing, we are just getting the final thing. Okay, then we will return answer. Okay, so let me compile it. So if we are compiling, you see, okay, the first case case satisfies fine. This is the very simple and easy code. Okay, let me submit this for the remaining test cases. Okay, 1111 test case. Let's see. Okay, here we are getting like all the test case satisfies apart from like except the one the last test case. In that we are getting a time limit actually. Okay, this is expected because we are using here a bitwise operation. Okay, and when we are using a bitwise operation, it is a bit heavy in Python. If we are doing the same code, same thing into the Java or C++, then we'll get all the test cases satisfied. Okay, so I already converted this complete code into the Java, and let me show you that. Okay, so whatever the answer we are just defining for n, and we are putting that all zeros. Okay, the same, and we are getting from 0 to q this L, R and X, and at the end from L to R we are just again doing a bitwise or operation. Okay, the same code is there, whatever we write in the Python, everything is same. We are just converting this into the Java. Okay, now let me compile this Java code. Then we could see the first is satisfies, and if we are submitting this Java code, then we could see there will be a no time limit exit for this Java code. You can see, right, all the test satisfies with the same code. So we can say like this is the when we are doing any what we can say problem solving, then sometimes we are getting like Python is bit heavy than Java and C++. So many times we can solve with the Python, but sometimes the same code works in Java or C++ and not in Python. So we can say this is the correct approach and this is the correct solution, but there is a bit heavy thing in Python. Okay, so this is the solution for today's problem today. That's it from my end for today's problem. Thanks for watching this video, and like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.